Hello everyone, welcome to Fingertips. Bitcoin, the biggest bubble in history, is popping. You might have often heard about it on the news or from a friend. But are you still confused about what exactly is cryptocurrency? Then do not worry anymore, because this video will surely make your concept clear about cryptocurrency. Now, for a better understanding, let's go through the history of this relatively new technology. In ancient times, that is before money came into existence, how do you think people used to buy and sell products or services? Yes, you got it right. It was through barter system. Barter system is a direct trade of goods and services. Let us share you one more example for it. Suppose a farmer wants to buy a pair of shoes, and at the same time a shoemaker wants to buy wheat. Then here a farmer will exchange a sack of wheat for a pair of shoes from a shoemaker. However, this arrangements take time and it had many other disadvantages, like it was difficult to measure the value of a product, goods cannot be transported easily, it is difficult to get the buyer or seller with the same need, and so on. Hence, physical money came into existence. The word money is just the representation of worth or value that we are holding. Earlier, it was introduced in the form of a seashell. Then came the metal coins, and now a piece of paper, debit cards, credit cards, and digital wallet like Amazon Pay, GPay, PayPal, and many more. Now, let's take one more example to make your concept clear. Suppose you want to buy some groceries. But you forgot the cash. Hence, you decided to make the payment online through a digital wallet. But you were also not able to do that because the bank servers were also down. Now this happened because the digital wallet is managed by banks and the government. There are also many other issues that may take place while transferring money. Like hackers may hack your account, or sometimes the transfer limit may also exceed. Now, to overcome these issues, cryptocurrency was introduced. Cryptocurrencies are just like regular currencies. However, they are entirely digital. It is not only safer but also a lot more secure. The first cryptocurrency created is known as Bitcoin. Bitcoin was created as a way for people to engage in financial transactions without exclusively relying on banks or the governments. Now, you might be thinking if cryptocurrency is real or not. Then, let us clear you that same as every physical money has a unique serial number that indicates where and when the money has been printed and so on, each cryptocurrency is also a collection of unique numbers and letters. What cryptocurrency does is that it uses an online ledger to secure all of the transactions made online. It is much more secure and even a fastest way to transfer money that can be exchanged for certain online services. As cryptocurrencies are secured by very tight encryption, it is very difficult for hackers to counter them. Also, it is unregulated, which means that there is no central authority that issues cryptocurrency, unlike the general currency we have, which can be totally controlled by the developer. But is cryptocurrency safe? Well, cryptocurrencies can work cross borders in a timely and efficient manner with extremely low transaction fees. For example, many people in impoverished regions either have no access to traditional banking or it is too unsafe to carry cash in or out of a bank for fear of being robbed. Now, cryptocurrency is giving these people the opportunity for some financial freedom and safety. It also works as an investment too, but the risk is far higher than traditional investments like stocks or property. However, there is a lot of profit to be made, but investors must do their homework on the coin itself. Recently, Some negative comments from the Indian government about banning it have caused a huge dump in prices across the board, which makes them very volatile. There are also large risks of an individual project failing to realize its goals and an even larger risk of unintentionally investing in so-called scam coins, which have been created purely for the profit of the developer and offer no long-term potential. So, it is advisable to stay cautious and move ahead only with the experts' advice. Now, if talking about Bitcoin, yes, the most popular cryptocurrency in the market, then at present, one Bitcoin is valued at around 16 lakhs. However, it keeps on fluctuating because of the supply and demand, investor and user sentiments, government regulations, and media hype. Bitcoin is totally based on public ledger technology, which is the blockchain technology. That is why it is very secure and can use as a currency for investment. However, there are many other popular cryptocurrencies too, such as Ethereum, XRP, Dogecoin, BNB, which is the Binance coin, Cardano, Polkadot, etc. Finally, we come to what's the future scope of cryptocurrency. Now, according to the Times of India, despite facing many challenges, cryptocurrencies are already being used as money on a small scale businesses. A popular platform like PayPal has added a cryptocurrency feature to its app where users can use currencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum as a payment mode. Furthermore, crypto received a shot recently when El Salvador recognized Bitcoin as a legal tender in the year 2021, becoming the first country to do so. Now, all of these instances show that cryptocurrency is gradually making inroads into everyday transactions. So, whether it is dollar, rupee, pound, or any kind of physical or digital money, our entire world is built on currency exchange. From barter to Bitcoin, the means of exchange have evolved significantly. Even though the crypto future is uncertain, but it looks bright. With that, we have reached the end of this video. Hope the video was informational for you. Thank you for watching this video. For more such content and the latest trending technology, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon. Till then, happy learning!